To remove socks without the assistance of another person, it may be beneficial to have a reacher. You will first remove your shoe using your non-operative leg, and then stick the reacher within your sock and use it to pull the sock off your foot. To put your sock on without the assistance of another person, there is an assistive device called a sock aid. You put the sock over this device as shown in the video. You will then place this device down around your surgical toes, using the strings to pull the sock up your foot and onto your leg. After removing the sock aid, you can then use your reacher to get your shoe closer to your leg. You may need to scoot forward in the chair in order to put weight through your surgical limb and push your shoe onto your foot.